Hey there! Today I'm gonna show you a new improvement that we did on the backdoor access. So now if you click on your backdoor access, instead of going directly to your event, you go to this page here that gives you more information and 2 ways to enter your event via the backdoor access. So you can see here that you have the generic backdoor access link with a code. So this is the exact same way as before, that you have a link that can be used by anyone to enter into the event. When you use this link, the participants will be normal users, no permission specifically. So, and if you don't want to give this link completely open to anyone, you can remove this option and the link will not work. Or if your link was shared with inadvertently, you can always reset the link and the link will change and the previous one will no longer work. And the new way that we introduced today is the access link for authorized guests. As you can see, this is a generic no code on this link, so you can simply copy this link and use inside the event. And you will see that I will not have access to enter with this link right now because I'm not a guest. You don't have access to enter this event. However, if you want to allow someone to enter the event, and you don't need to be inside the event to give them host rights, you can use the guest access for that. So let me add a new guest. I can add myself as a host. And there's a new setting here, which is allow backdoor access when the event is not live. So you can enable this option, and this guest will be able to enter inside the event without you being there and automatically be a host. So you simply add it. And now if I go back to my backdoor access and I refresh the page, as you can see I'm logged in with this email, I will be able to enter directly inside the event. So this is a way for you to share permission rights with other participants and already assign them as hosts or speakers. You can see I have here the broadcast panel that proves that I'm a host as well inside this event. We hope this will help you to better prepare the events together with your co-hosts, and as always, just let us know what you think about it and which other features you'd like to improve. Thank you.